welcome to the actual morning. It's only 9:30, but we've been on, well, I'm here with John.
Morning.
We've been off, well, in fact you can actually see it behind us. We've been off trucking since early this morning. In fact, Mr. John thought it'd be fun to wake me up, which was not fun, but...
6:10.
Yeah, that was fun. 6:10, John's shouting at me. But we went off and picked that up, which will show you better when we're actually back at the shop. But I thought now would be a good time to actually start the video. It's a lovely day, we've got a lovely van. What board do you want? So we're going to carry on trucking for the last 45 minutes. When we get back to the workshop, we'll show you that and show you everything else that's going on. So we're going to carry on trucking. We'll see you in a bit. And welcome back. We're back in the workshop. Mr. John is up there somewhere. Mr. Namo is Namoing by there. And before we show you what's the other side of this camera, look at that. Festival flag. Mr. Namo bought that the other day. Ready for festivals. But this is what we bought. This is what me and John got up early for. Perfect. Also, that seat isn't actually bolted here. That was just inside. But we bought this. Somebody had tried. We were actually talking. But they actually did say that they watched this. So, hello. But this used to be a camper. And as you can see, it's now, well, not. New shocks, new 4-inch springs. We just need to try and get this thing to run. That spare wheel, ignore that. We haven't even looked in this thing yet. We've literally pulled it straight in and this is where it now sits. But this is what we picked it up. So, my job, inside that bag is the ECU. And we need to put the battery back in, cool air horns. Timing belt was done in 09. That's what my job is today. Try and get this thing to run. Absolutely no idea what is actually in here. Oh, bottom roller. No. So that's my job. Probably recognise this van. That is the van that I put the 150 injectors in. That is coming for a new engine mount. Because that one is no braino. Braino? John's ramp's working again. I think the last time you've seen this, it was broke it did. It's fixed it did.
Just bent over there.
Well, Mr. John's going to be fixed it in this bad boy.
Give him my boost league and tune up.
There you go. That. So that's Mr. John's project. 5th gear, tune, gearbox mount, make it actually run. There you go. Also, this is actually the first video back from Cornwall. So, how did you like Cornwall, Mr. John?
Lovely place. St. Ives, good roads. I drove a boat.
Cool boat.
Yeah. Captain John Birdseye.
Cornwall was lovely.
Me surfing?
Oh, she had that at the factory, have they?
No, that was me surfing.
That's
easy surfing.
Oh, look at that. And we can officially say that we've done either end. Both ends of end to end.
Because we are the greatest people.
So we done well. All the vans done well. John's suspension also done well. Did you enjoy Cornwall?
Me?
Mr. Namo?
Mine is no internet. Yes.
Yeah, there wasn't a lot of signal at all, was there? But
which is a good thing.
It is good, but then when you're trying to use the sat-nav to go anywhere, it's not
was,
so good. But no, Cornwall was nice.
But it was nice.
Nice getaway.
Yeah, nice.
Very pretty.
Both ends of the country, which is happy days.
We only took us 3 months to do it.
Poland next year.
There you go. You heard it here first. Poland next year. There you go.
And I'm serious.
But I'm going to make a coffee. Start tackling this bad boy. So, see you in a mo. Oh, there you go. As you can hear, she is running. There you go, she's running. It's exactly what we wanted. Had to do a little bit of rewiring because there was some grounds missing. There was some issues with the loom underneath the dash. So John had to work his electrical wizardry. Yeah, I can't even show you anyway. He's put it all back, but there was some issues underneath there. She's alive, which is good. So we're gonna just sort of tinker with this a little bit more, and then, well, this one is a donor. As you can see, she's perfect for a donor. So now we know the engine actually runs. We're just gonna, well, John's gonna put the laptop on it and check it. But anyway, we're gonna faff with this a little bit more. I'll see you in a bit once I pull it out. So see you in a mo. Well, this is just a little time lapse of me pulling the whole front end apart. I didn't think I should show you all of it in depth. Just me pulling the front end and emptying all the liquids out. And then, yeah, the fun bit of ripping the engine out. Mr. Dynamo, just come back from MOT in that one. And John, I don't think he's here actually. No. John has done the 5th gear mod on this. All diddly done. And he's now just tackling the rest of it. I'm not entirely sure what, but he's not here to ask, so... Ta-da! Anyway, I'm going to put this camera down. Ah, actually. Right, I have ordered me some tings. So in this box, I have me a full set of door locks, 2 keys and a new ignition barrel. I'm wobbling a bit there, sorry. But it's a full lock set by there. That's going on my van. Because I am currently sick to death of having 1 key per door. So I want 1 key for all doors. It's number 1. Number 2 is in this box. Now I'm not going to show you what's actually in this box yet, but put it there for later. John bought me this. Keep that there. That's for later. Right. Now I've shown you that. Now I'm going to get going. So next time, hopefully this engine will be out. So see you in a mo.
Many hours later.
Well, there we go. A few hours later, and this thing looks the same. But trust me, it's not. Drive shafts are out. Wheels are off. Everything is disconnected. Except for engine mounts on both sides. And then this thing is ready to come out. Engine loom is by there. Everything is disconnected and ready to come out. I've left it like that because John needs that engine, so he's going to take it out in one, put it where he needs to put it. So it's best just to leave it basically hanging there. That's his said plan. So yeah, that's been fairly constructive. I need to get in here for this. Thank you, Mr. John. This is the box we were talking about earlier. John, do you want to unbox the box? No? This is what Mr. John got me from Cornwall. Look at that. That is beautiful. So, this apparently is the longest thread in the world. What is, there we go. Also, if you wonder where my steering wheel is,
Not there.
Mr. John likes to play a game of let's hide Carl's steering wheel. So, yeah.
Oh, look at that. How tall it is.
Right.
What do you want a peach one for? You got a black van.
I got orange one fucking thing. Yeah, that's orange, not peach. It's exactly like mine, same color.
No, that's peach.
No, it's orange. Oh, don't start with the color.
John, it is orange.
It's like orange, yellow van last time.
Yeah, it is orange.
You got problem with orange, isn't it?
It's massive. Massive. You are orange blind.
Yeah.
In fact, die.
Screw top. Look, what does it say?
I never mind what it says.
Peach. Right?
Open up. Oh, look, guys, pink.
Peach. Right, let's go and have a look at that.
Well, mine is more orange, but that's orange.
Oh, so there's more orange than this peach one. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. This is just.
Oh, they are the same colour.
No, that's orange and that's
Oh my god.
faded
that,
orange.
That
They
colour is
sold
so.
you-
That's not peach.
They sold you used one. This was faded.
In all fairness, compared to the orange one, that is more peachy.
Yeah.
Let me... Look at that. It's got the actual, like... Look at that.
Glasses.
That's cool.
That's
That.
cool.
That is cool. There's Mr. Namos. There you go. He's got the orange version of what I got. John. He's got that one, which is like a yellowy one. That's in his van. And this is John's hydro van. He has got the green one. So between all of us, we've got all of them. But John got me that from Cornwall. We was actually talking and I did say I wanted one. And then he come back and he's like, look what I got for you, boy. Also, we did have an ever so slight door issue. Where my door stopped being a door for a while. But, again... Thank you, Mr. John. So there we go. There's a bunch. Look at that. So, thank you to Mr. John. Anywho, I'm going to end this here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting out a Vardamas. And as always, take it easy.